The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does not explicitly prohibit multiple wires in a pancake box. Article 314.16 subsection A states that junction boxes must have sufficient space for the number and size of conductors installed. Article 314.28 subsection allows the use of partition enclosures for different circuits, and Article 314.28 subsection B number 1 says that each section of a partition enclosure shall be considered a separate box. The NEC requires that junction boxes have sufficient space for the number and size of conductors installed. If a pancake box does not have enough space to accommodate the conductors in a safe and code-compliant manner, then multiple wires should not be installed. An inspector may be concerned that multiple wires in a pancake box could potentially create a fire hazard due to overcrowding. This concern can be addressed by ensuring that the box is properly sized and that the wires are properly spaced and secured. To resolve this issue, firstly, use pancake boxes with a larger cubic inch capacity. This will provide more space for the wires. Secondly, partition the pancake box. Install a divider or barrier to separate the wires into different compartments. Thirdly, use a different type of junction box. Consider using a standard junction box with a cover that provides more space. The NEC does not require junction boxes to have a cubic inch rating. However, some manufacturers may provide this information on their product labels. A cubic inch rating can be useful for determining the maximum number of conductors that can be installed in a particular box. It is important to ensure that the box has sufficient space and that the wires are properly spaced and secured. By addressing concerns through proper sizing, partitioning, or using a different type of junction box, you can ensure code compliance and safety.